Here is a library, or a type of knowledge common. A knowledge common is a place where people can freely access information and can even potentially be a place of social interaction and community. A library is a physical source of knowledge. Knowledge commons, however, can thrive even more online. An example of an online knowledge common is Stack Overflow, a platform that employs a question answering style where users can ask a coding or software question and different users can provide their input. There are many of these types of commons with a wide variety of topics, such as law or math. This can be very useful as a public and free source of information. A huge benefit is that these question answering threads stay up, so they can be used by others for years to come. However, with the rise of LLMs, especially with the launch of GPT 3.5 in November of 2022, the sustainability of these platforms are threatened. Shortly after this date, Stack Overflow was estimated to have lost 1 million users per day, or around 12% of its daily traffic prior to GPT 3.5. This was just the first initial wave of LLMs, and people were already turning away from online knowledge commons. This can be an issue because not only are these platforms sources of information, they can also be a community for people with shared interests. The sustainability of not only these platforms, but of future experts is also under threat because these once public information sources are now constrained to a one on one conversation between a person and their chatbot of choice. There is no opportunity for this knowledge to be of use to anyone in the future, like how it would be if it was posted publicly on a knowledge common. This especially puts the strain on novice users who may find it harder to become part of a community in their new interest. This begs the question then, with the rise of ever so advancing LLMs, how will these knowledge commons and the people who use them be impacted, and how can we potentially find ways to sustain them?